tutakuwa tuna onboard the first shop in Githurai. My name is Susan. Naishi Githurai and I'm a Bitcoiner and I'm part of the core. I'm a student in cohort 7 and I'm excited kuwa part of the Bitcoin community ambayo tumeleta huku Githurai. Niko na Felix hapa and he'll be taking me through ku onboard the first shop huku Toez. Ameishi huku so I think it will work in Githurai because watu wa huku wako curious sana.